So today I got a new set, but first I just want to show you all the Lego Donkey Kong sets I have so far. Okay, starting here, this one is the Donkey Kong's Treehouse, which is the start of the Donkey Kong Country game. It also has this special feature which you put on, so you can just have fun together. It also has these new features here, like the drums and tire, and on the inside it has some cool features too, like a radio and a television, which you can hit as it plays for the Donkey Kong Country tune. Also has a special hammock. It also includes Cranky Kong, and I also got the Rambi the Rhino set. Let me show you what it does. I'm gonna demonstrate it with the Donkey Kong set. And I also got the Diddy Kong's, Dixie Kong's Jungle Jam set, which I will show you. Twist it. So if it's moving. Okay. Well, right now, let's just get this stuff out of the way. Let's get the stuff out of the way so we can unbox the new set. Come on, everybody. It's gonna be a long time. Yeah, I know, Mario, you're tired. I think everybody else would be too if they were here all day. Well, let's get everybody else off this table. Come on, Rambi. Okay, I need to put my phone down for a minute. Okay, so I put everything else on that box. I found the other Lego rock here and the big banana piece, which Mario can eat. Okay, you can just right. Okay, Lego Mario, let's just turn you off for a minute. And now, let's bring in the new set. Just putting the extractor away. Okay, this is the new set. Turn my back on. So, are you ready for a rematch of Bowser, are ya? Oh yeah, if you say so. Well, Lego Mario, you're ready for it. Here it is. It's the Dry Bowser Castle Battle. It's a very big box. It costed $100. It was 1,321 pieces. You see there's Dry Bowser, Purple Toad, Dry Goomba, a Blarg, or a Magmog, and a Dry Piranha Plant. Now let's turn this box around. You can see this is the back of the set. Yeah, another view of the back of this set. It includes a weightlifting thingy for the Dry Bowser and Mario 2, a Bone Goomba to the feet, and a way to defeat Dry Bowser. You can see there's also a chest where you can put the key in, and you can see there are also some evil plans. You can see that model airship, that model Peach's Castle, and the magnifying glass, and that plan for the bubble, and the reference to Super Mario 3 at the map screen. You can see you can also free Purple Toad if there's a crane. And now let's get this thing unboxed. Okay, coming in for the unboxing. You know, there's another set which costs the same price of this, and I don't probably have it yet. But there is no wonder that I bought this set. I just couldn't wait to buy it. Thought it would be the most exciting, one of the most exciting sets of all time. You can't remove the tape, but the box artwork, that tape is very strong. You see, I've opened it up. Now, let me dump out bags. Okay, gonna move my table up. Gonna move my table a little bit. Okay, let me dump out bags. Okay, you see that's a lot of bags. Let me sort them out. Okay, here's bag 1. Bag 2. Bag 3. Bag 3. Bag 4. Log piece, I think. Bag 5. Maybe dark bowels. Dry Bowser. No change. Bag 6. Bag 7. Bag 9. Bag 10. Bag 11. Bag 12. Some big pieces. And this little book. So yeah, let's get these bags open, shall we?